Have you ever imagined being an Ant-Man who can enter the microscopic world with ease? This can help you. Hi, I'm Dr. Martin. I'm so delighted to introduce our product to all of you here, the TinyScopeCAM. A microscope that can easily fit into your pocket. It can magnify the images to up to 1,000 times, with real-life transmission of 13 megapixel images. You can take it everywhere you go. Just plug it in. Bring it close to what you want to observe. You can see whatever you want to see. For example, an insect, a leaf, or use it in dark field illumination mode so that you can see a drop of lake water. Of course, you can use it as a traditional microscope, but you're free from adjusting focus ring. Just plug in and play. Every single detail on the slides is visible. Besides, the lens of TinyScopeCAM can eliminate chromatic aberration. All these features give you a brand new experience of exploring the microscopic world. We hope TinyScopeCAM will satisfy your desires for exploration and further guide you into the microscopic world.